Welcome back to another DIY video on my channel, guys. And as you guys know, it's Life with K-Face. If you are new here, before I even do anything, I need you to hit that subscribe button. Or maybe you want to watch the content first and then come back and hit the subscribe button. Either way, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you join the family, alright? Thank you guys for the support so far. But let's get to today's video. And what I'll be doing today is making this. As you guys know, I like to get my hands dirty. Not really dirty, but I like to keep my hands busy. I don't even sound right. Today I'm gonna be doing a DIY. Long story short is I bought a king size set and I didn't measure, so I guess it can't fit. Anyway, instead of, buying another one, I just said I will make it. So I started by, of course, clearing the space. And now I'm gonna go down to my workshop, my basement, and I'm gonna prep the boards and get them ready for you. I'm gonna assemble the base right now with these 3-inch screws, my drill, and this torque tip here. So the base is up. What I'll be doing next is I'll be working on the headboard because it's gonna have that floating look, but I also want to create a new headboard for it. So I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna cut up the ply, and I'm also working on a border for the bed. I'm gonna fit the box spring in the bed, so I need a border to go around it. The fabric is out in my living room also, but I did forget a few things, so I'm gonna see if I can work around it. Let's see how it goes. I'll be right back. Thank you guys for staying tuned so far. Remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and make sure you comment, all right? So let me go downstairs real quick, make those cuts, and I'll be right back. So as you can see from the plyboard, I'm gonna use those as the border to go around the bed, all right? They're laying down right now because of course they can't be attached because I didn't wrap them yet, but that's what I'm gonna do with those. Now let me show you the design for my headboard. I hope you guys like it. Let me know, leave a comment so I could. Get these shapes on the foam, cut them out, and then I'll be right back with you guys, alright? Today is a new day. I didn't get to finish the project in one day as I was hoping because I had started late and I also ran out of material, so I had to go back to the store to get some more material so I could finish wrapping the sides. So I'm gonna finish wrapping the sides right now, and then after that we're gonna put the bed together. Put the lights under it and then put the sides on, drop the box spring in there, put the headboard on, and we'll be done. So let's do that right now so I can show you guys what's up, all right? But first, let me go wrap the other sides. All right, I'll be back. All right, so I wrapped all the sides. We're all set with that. Now, since the bed is up, so I'm gonna put the lights around it, and then we're gonna attach the sides. This one and the other one. I ordered new lights because the lights I had, I'm sure that they weren't gonna be enough, so yeah. Definitely have to get a longer length. I'm gonna put that on right now around the base, in the bottom right here. So I have a better idea of what I'm doing. I didn't like secure them yet though, but I just put them on there so I can see what it's gonna look like. So this is my border, the sides. As I said, I just put them on there just so I can have a better idea of how it's gonna look. Measure up, make sure everything is aligned. And I think I'm gonna secure them like this right now, to be honest. Let me show you. Yep, all the way around. And then we'll be good to go. So I secured the top part and I didn't realize I didn't hit record, so the top part's already secured. Let's get the sides. One side down. Oh. Two sides down. 2 to go. Two sides down, 2 to go. So I'm gonna put some more screws in it, but of course I'm gonna get it down first and see how it looks. Then we can move forward with that, all right? So let's do that real quick. So I have some 3-inch corner brace, tomato, they do the same thing. We're gonna put those on right now anyway. Let's get that going, all right? What you should do before you secure these though, make sure everything is squared, okay? I'm ready to get the headboard connected, and for this I'm gonna be using 3 support areas, all right? The middle and the end, all right? So let's get the headboard in. I'll put the middle support on first so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Then put it on the bed, and then we're gonna secure the end. And after that, we'll finish getting the lights around it. I'll get the room dark, turn it on, let you guys see it. Let's get that done. So to make sure everything is accurate, I'm gonna measure the middle, to find the middle of the headboard here. All right, middle of the headboard, identified. So we need to make sure that the middle of the post that we're gonna put in lines up with the middle of this board right here. And then we can secure it. Guys, I'm almost done. So the next thing I have to do is mount the headboard, and how I'm gonna do that is, it's a little bit bigger than the bed, of course, because I made it that way. That's what I wanted. I just have to make sure it's even on both sides. So I'm gonna use the tape measure to make sure I have the accurate measurements before I secure the headboard. So I'm gonna go do that, put the sides on, also the side supports on. Then I'll just push it back up against the wall and show you guys what it's like. Yeah. Guys, I have finally finished this bed, and I am telling you, I'm loving it right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do like this bed, make sure you comment down below, like this video, and also subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you guys, the love and support you showed me so far. Thank you very much. This is Life with K-Face, guys. Let me show you this bed and enjoy your day.